Welcome back to Bobbi Jo's. This evening we are making some cheddar garlic biscuits. Basically Copycat Red Lobster biscuits. We've got 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and here we have 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of sugar.
Ask Chaz if tomorrow is recycle day.
Alexa is asking me if tomorrow is recycle day. Steve does that to remember if tomorrow's recycle or not. Okay, and what did I just say? A teaspoon of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt. And then mix all the dry ingredients together. You also need a cup of buttermilk, and if you do not have buttermilk, you can just take regular milk and put in a tablespoon of lemon juice or vinegar. Let it sit for 5 minutes and it'll thicken up just like buttermilk. So that's how you do your buttermilk substitute. I use lemon juice, and it's been sitting out a few minutes, so it's thickened up a little bit. You also want a half a cup of butter at room temperature, and this is a stick of butter. A stick of butter is a half a cup if you've got a full stick. Preheat your oven on 450 degrees. Next step is put your butter in here, and I always just do the butter in slices. You have a pastry blender, use that to mix your butter in. If not, you can use a fork. This works better, but it can be done with a fork. Or you can use your hands. Use your fingers to get that butter crumbled up in the flour. Okay, the butter should be crumbly in there like that. Next, we are going to mix in our buttermilk. And 1 cup of cheddar cheese shredded. It's best to use freshly shredded cheddar off the block because it melts better, it tastes better. You can cook this on a baking pan, or you can do it in a skillet. I've got a skillet heating up in the oven. I've got the oven on 450, so the skillet's going to be hot, but we're going to do drop biscuits. Going to drop this down into the hot skillet. You're going to take a scoop of dough, and you're just going to push it off with a spoon and shape it with 2 spoons. Doesn't have to be perfect. Just drop it in there. And then we'll make the topping. There's going to be butter garlic topping that goes on these biscuits. And for those of you on low carb, I do already have a video up of how to make these low carb. They're really good. I should have used my 12-inch skillet instead of my 10-inch skillet because I'm out of room. But they'll just all rise together, and then we'll just cut them apart. Okay, it's going to go in the 450 degree oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Just keep an eye on them. Once they're golden brown, they come out of the oven. I have 3 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 clove of minced garlic, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we are just going to brush it over these biscuits, which are now cold because I've had them sitting out here for so long. I've been working on my pasta. Don't those look good? I know they smell good. Okay, how are the imitation Red Lobster biscuits?
They're drool-worthy, 2 thumbs up. They're better than Red Lobster because they're not as dry. They've got the garlic butter on them that gives them a good texture and moisture. I don't know if moisture is the right word. They're just very tasty. Part of that could be that I'm drooling so much when I eat them because they're so good, especially with the rest of the meal. But yeah, Excellent. Well done.
Thank you for your review.
You're welcome.
Y'all have a blessed day.